Alam niyo ba mga kamanibela, based sa 2018 MMDA Metro Manila Accident Reporting and Analysis System, ang motorcycle road crash ang may pinakamaraming fatalities. Out of 590 accidents, 224 ang namatay dito. Mas lalo pa itong tumaas noong 2021 na may 295 fatalities. Paano nga ba makakatulong ang MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy para sa mga rider upang manatiling ligtas sa daan? At ano-ano ba ang dapat mong malaman tungkol dito? Panoorin mo to dahil dapat gets mo to! Sino-sino ba ang maaaring mag-enroll sa MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy?
Well, this is open for public. They can just log in to our MMDA website. Pag nag-log in sila doon, makikita nila yung link. They will just click the link and they can fill up all the information required.
Bukas ito sa publiko mula 17 years old pataas. Ano-ano ba ang requirement upang makapag-enroll sa MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy?
Unang-una, it is required that the applicant must have a driver's license. Number 2, if the applicant is below 18 years old, there must be parental consent required. Kailangan din ng barangay clearance or certificate of employment if he or she is employed. And lastly, kailangan ng medical certificate and also waiver. So yun, importante na may medical certificate that he is fit to drive and conduct training for motorcycle.
May bayad ba ang MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy?
Wala po. This is open for public, for free. And natutuwa kami na yung mga motor namin dito were basically donated from different sectors. So kaya ito talagang ipinundar namin na libre para sa publiko. Kahit saang lugar ka man, if you have time to come here and makapag-log in kayo at magkaroon kayo ng schedule, then kahit saan kang lugar sa Pilipinas, you can apply and train here sa aming Motorcycle Riding Academy for free.
Ano ba ang mga kailangan dalhin ng rider sa MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy?
Yun lang, siguro kailangan nilang magdala ng sarili nilang helmet because for sanitary, for hygiene purposes, mahirap yung palipat-lipat ng helmet kapag nagtitraining ka. And of course, you must show proof that you have a driver's license.
Paano ba mag-enroll sa MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy?
They can just log in to our MMDA website. Pag nag-log in sila doon, makikita nila yung link. They will just click the link and they can fill up all the information required. So after that, they will receive a response via email regarding the schedule kung kailan sila pwede pumunta for the schedule of their training. Kung wala kayong internet, hindi kayo computer savvy, hindi kayo nagko-computer, they can come in person to register dito sa aming Motorcycle Riding Academy. Lagi naman pong may tao dyan dito sa may Meralco Ave Corner, Julia Vargas sa Pasig.
Ano-ano ba ang matututuhan ng mga rider sa MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy?
Nasa aming module sa Motorcycle Riding Academy is yung skills evaluation and assessment of trainees. Makikita natin kung anong level ang alam niya. Pangalawa, yung practical exercise. Yung may course na talagang magmumotor sila. Tuturuan din sila ng road safety, yung mga traffic laws, and of course, pang-apat, yung basic emergency response, yung basic first aid training course. Kasi being riders, sila yung nasa kalsada, they are considered as the first responders sa mga anumang aksidente. So it's a must for them to have a basic training pagdating po sa first aid and emergency response. Yes, we are calling to all the riders out there na wala pang experience sa formal training pagdating sa riding course. Or kung sa tingin nyo, limot nyo na and you need to refresh, this is open for public and this is for free.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Enroll na dahil libre to. Sana ay nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito tungkol sa MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy. Dahil dapat, gets mo to!